You have a handy coat room and entry. You don't just go right into the kitchen. There's extra storage space on the way to the basement. The home on Chandler, with a double lot, has glass cabinets, ceramic tile. It's a kitchen that everything's within reach. You don't waste space traveling in a giant area. Everything is right within arm's reach. All the appliances, we're talking the front-loading washer dryer too, stay in this sale. You can eat in this kitchen, but there's also a formal dining room. No rugs, all oak parquet or laminate flooring or vinyl. No going to the basement to do your laundry. There's a closet in this laundry room. Here's looking at it from the other direction. The home has no job jar. There are no repairs. The roof is standing seam metal, the exterior sided in vinyl. French doors, all easy to clean surfaces, and they are clean. The formal dining room, with lots of space for cookbooks, collectibles. You decide what you put in this wall of shelves. Insulated windows, and a brick hearth with a quadra-fire pellet stove. When you're not in the dining room, it makes your living room bigger. This is over 25 feet long. Living space. And it's clean, up to date. Heck, there's not even any painting or papering to do. The levelers, the expensive window coverings, those stay and they're all custom made. What's this room, Andy? Well, it might be your mother-in-law's bedroom on the first floor, or it's where you telecommute to work. There's a closet. There's built-in deep shelving with a cabinet, and if you have the discipline to work from home, we can telecommute because there's high-speed internet. The cable kind. The fiber variety. That's your downstairs, except for the half bath, the front hall foyer room. That half bath is handy, especially if you do use that downstairs bedroom for someone that doesn't like to climb stairs. Pretty neat how they laid it out. Ready to go upstairs? Neat window on the stairway. You're gonna really like the closet in this master bedroom. It's a mirrored closet, but it's a lot bigger than it looks. This has parquet flooring too. The oak variety. Level lower blinds. 3-zone hot water heating. Check this out. Cedar lined and deep. Now this is a walk-in closet with a window, so you can see, is that blue or is that black before you leave the house. Deep shelves, not a space, a nook or cranny wasted. That's bedroom 2 if you happen to put into use the one on the first floor, your bathroom. You have hot water heat on the second floor, but they put electric just to give it a shot. Many people like that in a bathroom in the morning. It's like 2 bathrooms. Here's your vanity, your toilet in this area, and look, more closets. They're lighted, they're cedar lined, and if one's good, 2's even better. Here's your shower and your pedestal sink. This is a big bathroom. Here's one closet. The other one is double-sized. It's nice having closets in your bathroom. This door goes into another bedroom to make it feel like a master bedroom, bath. Double closet. Large room. Southern exposure. Insulated glass. Say when. That's 3 bedrooms. Is that enough? This had a kitchen years ago, so it could have a little rear efficiency, or this is a big 4th bedroom to finish off to your taste, or it's an exercise area. Complete with the neat wainscoted cabinets. Overhead storage in the garage that's like a 2.5 car. There's room for your vehicles, there's room for your hobbies. It's insulated, there's a hot air furnace. You can warm up your gloves after being out snow sledding. That's your Miller furnace. Just dial it on, here comes the heat. Who wouldn't want a garage like this? Cement floor, power doors, and there is overhead storage. That's your home on Chandler. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. Please like this video, and if you're not already a member, subscribe to our channel and share it with someone you know that needs a house this nice with a garage and a double lot.